savages. If you leaving these females or these men on red, you are a savage, because I'm telling you right now, that is like the most piercing blow in 2023, to just leave somebody ghosted, leave somebody on red. Oh man. I do it all the time. I do it all the time. I'm gonna throw some up right now. You see, I'm not playing. I'll leave people on red. Anybody that try to do me wrong in the past, they try to devalue me. Oh, you're getting left on red, okay? So don't even dare try to hit me up, because I'm just gonna just soak up all that energy from that anger you're gonna have, and the resentment and the embarrassment from your stupid decision. It's just like you made a dumb decision, but it's all business in the end. Chosen ones, this life is all business in the end with these people, especially the ones that are not like you, the ones that don't think like you, the ones that don't act like you, the ones that are just basically not chosen. Your absence, man, you don't know what it's doing to them. And I know you feel it too, because sometimes this is the confirmation that they're missing you too. This is